5 more minutes, please. Time to hit the hay. But Mom, I don't want to get up. These phrases are associated with one thing that most people hold very dear and important in their lives: sleep. As stated in an article, How Much Sleep Do You Need from helpguide.org, on average, a healthy adult is supposed to sleep at least 7.5 to 9 hours. For teens and children, 8.5 to 10 hours. But it is a pretty known fact to state that most people don't reach that requirement. Sometimes whatever we're doing during our conscious state seems more important than the idea of sleeping, but rest assured, sleep is more essential to our waking lives. So why do we even sleep? As stated in an article, Healthy Sleep from Harvard Medical School, there are at least 3 theories. Theory number 1 is adaptive theory. Humans adapt to sleeping during the periods of inactivity in order to ensure safety. Inactivity means nighttime or any period of time that consciousness would be hazardous. Second theory is restoration theory. According to this theory, we sleep in order to restore lost energy and repair any damages done to the body. Third theory is information consolidation theory. This theory suggests that during our time of sleep, the brain is still at work processing information we gain throughout the day and prepares it for more information to come in the coming day. Though some theories suggest that there really is no clear answer as to why we sleep, rather the theories stated before are actually behaviors and characteristics of sleep. The theories do support the benefits of a good sleep cycle. Benefits of sleep are restoration to the body, memory storage, and daily life functioning. Restoration to the body includes muscle growth, tissue repair, and release of growth hormones. In an article published by Times Magazine, Why We Sleep, biological repairs needs to occur when the muscles are in a state of relaxation, which is usually during a state of unconsciousness. It also states that sleep is more for structure and organization of the brain development, meaning memory storage and information processing. How sleep affects this is through 3 functions: acquisition, the introduction of new information; consolidation, a process which memory becomes stable; and recall, the ability to recall information previously stored. Studies have shown that during sleep there are certain brain waves associated with the formation of memories. Daily life function is the regulation of moods, wakefulness, and includes the previous mentioned benefits. In fact, healthy sleep prevents sleep deprivation. Consequences of sleep deprivation are fatigue, moodiness and irritability, concentration and memory problems, and health problems, which end up causing disturbances in daily life functioning. Overall, sleep is important for functioning properly from day to day. To understand the functioning of sleep more, the sleep cycle has been broken into stages. No matter the hours of sleep required, each sleep cycle carries on through 5 stages. Stage 1 and 2 are the times when you are in a light sleep. Stage 1 is transition to sleep, and at which point muscle activity begins to slow down. Stage 2 is when heart rate slows down, body temperature decreases, and you are no longer aware of your surroundings. Stage 3 and 4 are both in the same. During these stages is when you are in a deep sleep, making it difficult for you to be awakened. During this time, brainwaves also begin to slow. After about 70 to 90 minutes after falling asleep, you enter Stage 5, also called REM sleep. REM standing for rapid eye movement, alluding to the fact during this stage your eyes move rapidly underneath your eyelids. During this time, your breathing begins to shallow, heart rate and blood pressure begin to increase. The importance of undergoing each stage is that suggested from Harvard Medical School that each brainwaves associated with memory occurs at a different stage from one another. Secondly, the stages each need to be met in order to reach deep sleep, which is most essential in preventing sleep deprivation. During the stages of deep sleep is when blood flow is directed from the brain and towards muscles, restoring physical energy. Deep sleep plays a major role in maintaining health, which explains why, when sick, you are recommended to rest. Restoration of muscles and tissues occur, and having gone through deep sleep leaves you energized and refreshed upon awakening. As suggested in helpguide.org, a disturbance in each stage will cause sleep debt, which gains more as you give up an hour or so or undergo many disturbances in which you are awakened from the stages of sleep. Eventually, the sleep debt grows into sleep deprivation, in which REM sleep and deep sleep needs to be repaid. Now, sleep is important, but in the stage of REM sleep, something else also occurs that is a bit interesting. As mentioned during REM sleep is whenever you experience dreaming. What are dreams? Dreams are actually the least understood characteristics of sleep. Quite a few theorists believe dreams hold meaning. Sigmund Freud suggests that dreams are a representation of unconscious thoughts. Stated in an article, Dreams and Sleep from sleepfoundation.org, dreams reflect current lifestyle and offer solutions to contemporary problems. In other words, dreams are made up of the brain trying to make sense of what information and images that we experience throughout the day. Whether dreams serve a specific purpose is still unclear. In general, sleep is really important to daily life functioning. It helps you make certain judgments, promotes biological health, and lets you enjoy the experience of dreaming. Though some functions and characteristics of sleep are still unknown, one thing is for sure. As stated in an article, Why We Sleep, you don't have to know what sleep is for you to know it's good for you.